27126. There will no longer be any long codes. No, let's see, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. No more 10-digit numbers. Okay, no more 10-digit numbers. Now, to sign up for texting, nothing has changed. You're going to go into your system, okay, and you're going to click on Add Text Service. Absolutely nothing has changed. Texting cost has not changed. Let me say this again, okay? Let me say this again. Right now, you will only have one short code that you will be able to get. We're going to add it where, one keyword. We're going to add it where you will be able to get multiple keywords per customer. Okay, that's one keyword per app. Okay, one keyword per app. So if you put texting on 57 different apps, you'll have 57 different keywords, but it's one keyword per app. We are going to set it up to where you can purchase multiple keywords for your apps. Okay, they're $1 a piece. We're going to charge you exactly the same thing that we get charged. We're not making money on keyword. But we're going to set it up. You can buy them in multiples of 1 to 5, I think is what Mark's going to start doing. So what you're going to do is once you click on text service, okay, you're going to click on order, and your secure card's going to come up. And whatever the price is, and the prices I talk on this training are always U.S. prices, you're going to go in and you're going to set up your 500 for 15 and so forth. All right? Does everybody copy that? Does everybody understand that? All right? All right, everybody understands that. Okay, awesome. Awesome, awesome. All right, now once you fill this out, you're going to submit your order. Now I'm going to bring another browser over. Give me 1 second. I can never find my mouse when I'm doing this with this monitor. Let me go ahead and log in here. Let me bring a live browser over. Okay. We're going to go in here and I'm going to add texting to this. I'm going to order 500. Now, once you go through and you place your order, okay, you're going to come up and it's going to say keyword. Now, you can see here the short code is 27126. Now, you may have to get creative. Believe it or not, Carrie K. Miller, the keyword Carrie K. Miller, which is my name, Carrie K. Miller, is taken. It's me that there was another Carrie K. Miller out there, as great as I am, that would require texting, but lo and behold, there was. So, yes, you'll only be able to pick keywords that have not already been selected, okay? And you need to talk to the owner, okay? Now, let me give you an example. How many of you saw the post I did on Sonic today? They had the line around the place. There was no place to park. It literally took me an hour to get 2 cheeseburgers for 89 cents. Okay? It literally took an hour to, this is a new keyword, so it's pretty fresh, so you should be able to get what you're looking for. And so here is an example of a keyword that they used. It was COM, C-O-M, had nothing to do with Sonic, C-O-M, okay, and 4 digits. And, you know, that's what I signed up for, and I'm glad I did, because every Wednesday I go up and get a special. So let's just look here. I'm going to say, I'm going to call this Commerce, Texas. All right. And this is going to be my keyword. All right. Search now. and it's available. Okay, so short business name. I'm going to put my business name in here. My short business name will be, let's see, Get Digi. All right, because you're going to see in a minute. I tell you what, I'll just go ahead and put InstantAppWizard in here because this is InstantAppWizard's platform. I mean, they're Woodrow's back end. InstantAppWizard. Okay, and I'm going to hit save. Now, this right here, okay, is going to be seen when all text messages go out. And you're going to see that in just a second, okay? Has everybody got that? And I didn't put InstantAppWizard in here because I know Mark's already taken that, taken all those for us. Save. Okay. Continue. Now, all of you can sign up for the list now. All right. I can come in here. I can go to edit coupon or edit app. Got coupon on the brain. See up here in the right hand corner, it says short code. Does everybody see that? 27126. Does everybody see that? I want to make sure everybody knows where we're at. You'd be amazed at the number of people says they don't know where that's at. Everybody see it. Okay. Any questions up to this point? This is very important. I usually hold the questions to the end, but this process, and that's the reason I'm dedicating this whole hour to it, is very important. Any questions at all so far? How to order, how to set it up, and how to search for your short code? Okay, no questions. No questions. Now, this is what I want. Let me get this off and put it on the big screen. All right, let me pull this off and put it on the big screen. Okay, let me back this up to right here. Let me add this to right here. Because I want everybody to do this. Please do it. I want you to text commerce this. Text commerce text to 71226. I want everybody to do that. You're going to have 2 inbound tags, 2 outbound tags come your way. Okay? I don't know why my phone's with Sprint, and I did short codes all day long. I've been testing this for 2 days. So somebody says my phone won't allow short codes through Sprint. I have Sprint. I've been with Sprint since Sprint started, and I have no problem with short codes. None of you should have a problem with a short code at all. Awesome. Awesome. Everybody see how fast that is? Is that not, I almost said a bad word. Is that not amazing how quick the response rate is? Now make sure you opt in. Go ahead and say yes and all that. Everybody's saying, wow, I've already got this. Absolutely. I was testing today with Kenny Dutton in Missouri, in New Mexico, and I no more clicked the button and I was getting the responses back for the coupons. I mean, it was just mind-boggling. Opt-in is very quick. Yes, very cool. Very cool. And you think about this now, and I'm going to do more training on this as soon as we get done with Facebook training next week. Here you have your table tent or whatever you have at your point of sale checkouts. Okay, and let's say it's Lucy's Dress Shop, and Lucy's keyword is available, or Lucy's Dress Shop is available, and all they have to do is text Lucy's Dress Shop in 126, and immediately they're going to get their responses back, and they're going to opt in. With the long codes, you could wait up to 20 minutes sometimes to get those back. It drove me crazy. That's why Woodrow and I started talking, and he made the decision we need to go to a short code system. He started doing the investigations. He found the companies that we could work with, and everything was put together. For the coupon program, it is absolutely key. Okay? All right, does everybody opted in? Yes, each opt-in takes 4 texts. With the short code, the long code system, it was 3 texts. With the long code, it's 4 texts. That's just part of their FTC regulation thing going on, the way they opt in. So you're talking a couple of cents. All right, a couple of cents. But it takes 4 texts to opt in. That's 4 texts for one, and that's very inexpensive to build a list. Trust me. People are paying up to $10 to get one email address or one text number or more. All right. Yes, it will tell you it's already taken. Absolutely. Okay, let me go back over here. Okay. Let me find my mouse. Oops. Now, I'm going to come in real quick, and I'm going to build a coupon because I want to show you guys what when we're talking about text messaging, what do we want to happen when we as a consultant, when we as a business person, when we as the people going in to sell this, what do we want to happen? What do we want to happen? We want to grow their membership, but what's important to us as a business owner? Quick signups. Yeah, we want to create things that do what? We want to create things that use text, correct? I mean, that's what we want to do, things that uses text messages. We want to be able to do things that, yeah, it's all about the SMS. That's correct. We want to do things where it increases their SMS usability. Okay, so let me go in here real quick, and this is just going to be a quickie. This is nothing fancy, but what I'm going to do is, did everybody sign up on the list? I mean, I can see how many are in here right now, so I will know if you signed up on the list. Okay, everybody didn't sign up on the list. So if you didn't sign up on the list, then don't say don't say I don't know how it works. Okay, for those of you that signed up on the list, all right. For those of you that signed up on the list, I'm going to build a coupon real quick. I'm going to build a scratch off coupon. Let me add the scratch off. Let me select. Let's do always a winner scratch off. Okay, select the image. I'm just going to do a text with a background. I'm going to use the first background. This is not, okay. Now see right here where it says redeem method? Send text message to winner. Opt-in keyword. If you want them to opt in, send text message to winner. We want to do that. Okay. I'm going to create this coupon, save. All right. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab this link because I want all of you to open this up, okay? I want you to see how this works. I'm going to come up here to the messaging center. I'll send a message. Okay, and you're going to get the link to this coupon. All right. Yes, I could have used the short code and I could have done, the URL shortener and stuff, but I'm not going to. I'm going to send this out to everybody that has subscribed. Okay. Preview now. Send message. Now, everybody saw when I sent that. I sent it at 9:26. Tell me when you're starting to get that. Everybody's, they're getting it. Is that not amazing how fast that went out? I'm telling you, with that long code, if many of you had not done that, yes, Glenn, you're in Canada. It may not work for you. Short codes do not work in Canada. That's probably why you're not getting it. This is US based only. That's probably why you're not getting it. Okay, so now what I want you to do, and everybody said, oh, this is cool, this is hot, this is amazing. What is short code that we are testing? It's 27126. The short code is 27126, and you need to text keyword commerce, COMMERCE. Let me pull it back up over here. The short code is 27126 and text commerce Texas. All one word. No spaces. All one word. Just like it's written on the screen. Just like it's written on the screen. And for those of you that are just joining, and we've had about 7 people join, okay, just join. Go ahead and do this. Opt in, and I will resend out that link. All right. Yeah, 40 times faster. It's amazing. Every time I did it today, and I started testing, and I was just mind boggled at how fast this is. Literally, when you go in to help these people, and we're going to go deep into texting and signing up these lists after next week, in 2 weeks. Literally, when you're walking around showing these businesses how to sign up customers, by the time they click that button, you're going to hear their phones going off. You're not going to have to wait. You're not going to have to wonder if it's sent. It is going to fly. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, Canada doesn't have a shortcode system for us. All right. Is everybody opted in? No, you don't have to turn on that. You do not have to turn that on. I'm showing you that for a reason. That uses a text. Okay. When you see this system that I'm on you now, let me get back over there. You do not have to turn that on. Matter of fact, let me turn that off. Let me turn that off, and you'll see how it is when I just text out the link. I wanted to show you that because a lot of people don't use that. And some of your customers are going to say, hey, how will I know if they redeem that? They have to come in, they have to physically put a code in to get it redeemed. Yeah, it's a powerful program. It's a powerful program. Very powerful program. So you come down here, let's go down to our scratch off. Let's go in and edit that scratch off. Now see, I can say send a text message to the winner. Okay, and he's going to get a text message. But let's turn that off. All right, I'm going to save that. Now we'll just send it out as a straight coupon. And I'm going to send it out to everybody that signed up. Okay, 18 people have signed. So the six people that came in a while ago, they signed up. Okay. So let me go in here and text this now. No, it's not spelled correctly, but I'm not worried about that. Preview now. And send message. See right here where it says March 2nd, Instant App Wizard. Remember I put in Instant App Wizard at the beginning of that? Yeah, I highly recommend you put it on, and I highly recommend you make sure you sell that service to the business owners. And everybody should be getting that text message. You got two best. No, you don't get 20% off. Okay, everybody's getting it. Awesome. Awesome. I mean, within seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, not 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. And that's how simple it is to set up your text package now. Very simple. Any questions at all? Does everybody like this? Is this something that I know it's something that, believe it or not, I've kind of preached against, but now that I'm working with it and using it and seeing it and the whole 9 yards, I will never say anything bad about it again, because this is definitely the way to go. It's more professional. It's easier to use. People recognize it. Okay. Yeah, people would walk in and show them the 10% off. That's correct. Yeah, this is what the big boys use. Go back and look at my post in the Facebook group today. This is what Sonic uses. This is what Burger King. This is what all the big boys use. Yes, very professional. No, MMS capability is going away. MMS capability is going away. And some of you may say, oh no, MMS didn't catch on. Nobody's using it. You may be one of 1,000 people that use it. And if you're asking what the MMS was, don't ask, don't tell, because it doesn't matter. Awesome. Any questions at all? This is the time to ask. Any questions at all? And I'm going to recap real quick. Yeah, like absolutely. You put a date on it. You can also build these. Oops, sorry. When you go in and build these coupons, same process, Ferris. Same process. When building these coupons, you can put an expiration on them right here. And let's say this is going to expire. I don't even know what the day is. 3/2/2016 at 12:01 a.m. Save. Out in, hang on just one sec. Nope, you don't have to select anything. The short code is always the same. The short code is always the same. Never change. Sorry, the coupon's already expired. The coupon Kahuta. Awesome. Yeah, and I know it came right on time. And I tell you what, you guys need to throw a thank you to Woodrow and Mark in the Facebook group. Uh, those guys worked tirelessly to get together. And Mark has literally, I'm telling you, he's done in a week and a half. Just phenomenal what he's done. I mean, really, really, really. Uh, Mark put his heart and soul into getting this thing, and he's still working on it. We're putting out some new stuff. So this is just the beginning. Okay, this is just the beginning. So let me send this out there. And I'm not going to put you guys know to click. I'm going to send it to you guys. Preview now, and you'll see Janine and Diego what it looks like. what it looks like with the countdown timer on it. Okay. Bam. Yes, when somebody opts in, they're going to receive a text anytime there is a promotion that goes out. Ferris, just one keyword per app right now. We're working on the multiple keywords. We're working on the multiple keywords. We're working on that and the ability to bring all your other customers over to this system to merge. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Any questions? Does anybody need me to show them anything? Yep, I'm fixing to do a recap. Absolutely. Any questions? Recap it over here. Yes, the coupon disappears automatically when the coupon expires. Yes, you can put a barcode, and when we get, not this week, this next week, I'm going to finish up Facebook because I wanted to launch this out today. It was very important. I talked to Woodrow, and we felt today was important to get this launched so y'all didn't have to wait another 2 weeks. So let's do a brief, and I'm going to go over barcodes and how to put those in on your systems, and that will work with your point of sale systems. It's very easy to do. Okay, very easy to do. Hey, Dennis, how you doing, buddy? So let's do a brief overview. If you haven't signed up, sign up when I show you this. Our short code is 27126. 27126. Okay, 27126. That will be the short code that you'll use from now on. Okay, 27126. You're going to go in and you're going to go add text service as normal. You're going to go in and you're going to order. You're going to go ahead and you're going to go through your checkout. And as soon as you go through your checkout, and I'm going to go over here, hang on just 1 second. As soon as you go through your checkout, you're going to select which keyword you want. Okay. Now, everybody knows I just did Commerce Texas, so I'm going to show you that I can't get Commerce Texas again. Somebody was asking, it says keyword not available. Okay. You said in past trainings that we can make more money with this short code. Am I missing something? You can make more money with texting, period, if you'll go out and sell it. Texting is recurring income. Yes, they will be already opted in. Yeah, this is high-end residual income. So for the current number that I have for my Couponect, still works. Yes, if you have the long code, but yeah, so only one keyword. If you have the current long code, we're going to be able to merge those over in about a week. Okay, in about a week, you're going to be able to merge those to the short code system. You're just going to bring those people, those numbers right into this system. Okay. Yes, only one keyword for now. Hopefully by next week, we'll have it where you can purchase multiple keywords. The keywords, I believe, are going to be $1. That's what they cost us. We're just going to pass it right through. We're not here to make money on keywords. And you can, whatever you want to buy, 1, 3, 5, 10, 100, how many ever keywords you want to purchase for that app. We've got very few, believe it or not, Mark and I looked at this today, there are very few apps that have more than one keyword. How do you add more text? You just go in and add more text. just like you do now. None of how you purchase your text doesn't change. How you purchase your text doesn't change. The same established keyword is on the same established app. And you just go in and add texting, just like you normally would. Just like you normally would. When does the additional text amounts take effect? I don't know what you're asking. The additional text amounts take effect. Yes, your loan code in Canada is going to remain the same and all around the world. If you've got loan codes, it's going to remain the same all around the world. Absolutely. What do you mean by when does the additional text amounts take effect? And please ask the questions, please. Now's the time to ask the question. When you need to add more text, just go in and add more text. Yes, everybody in the IAW family will use 27126. That is correct. When you need to add more text, go in and add more text. All you do is do just exactly like you normally do. That has not changed. If it's in the middle of the month and you've already burnt 500 text or 1,000 text or 2,500 text, go in, order your texting plan for that app, and you don't have to do anything else. They take effect immediately. How it was set up prior to now has not changed. Every 30 days, you're billed. You need more text, all you do is add more text. Yeah, and that's and Woodrow was just saying, this system allows for larger capacity lists, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000. You saw how fast it goes. I'm telling you, you will send out that 30,000 lists in a blink of an eye. Yep, text keyword carry to 27126. And believe it or not, I do have the keyword carry. They advertise text keyword carry to 27126, and they're going to get a text from me. Yes, when you add more texting to the middle of the month, that's going to change your billing date. That is correct. If you want to consolidate your texting, as always, get with Nancy, and she can consolidate your bills. Yes, if you're out in another country and you've got a client in the U.S., they can use the shortcode. That is correct. Any more questions? When you sit down with your customers, I recommend that you look at 2 or 3 different shortcodes. If Joe's is taken, okay, like Joe's isn't available. Let's see Joe's 2016 is taken. Okay, Joe's 2016 isn't taken. How will this affect join our list? It won't affect it at all. They still join your list. It goes right into the list. When there's multiple short codes, it'll be set up where it'll go to whatever multiple short codes it is. Right now, it's going to one short code or one keyword. Won't affect it at all. And that's how you're going to get them to join the list. And we're going to go over that not next week, but the next week. Just not enough hours in the day to do everything. Who don't understand that who does not understand that email and text marketing are separate but can be blasted together? It'll be ready tomorrow. If I don't get 5,000 phone calls, it gets ready pretty quick. Just depends. Join our list. Join our list is both. If you've got texting, you join it. When you do join our list, you're signing email and via text. It's both. There's no separation. If somebody joins the list, if all you have is for example here, and I don't know if I got join our list turned on this app, but I will. If you have join our list on, and I make sure, I mean, I don't know where that's coming from because nobody can see questions or answers. But join our list. If you do not have any texting on, it is simply they're joining your email list. That's where that goes. Period. If you don't have texting on, they can't sign up for your text and still join your list. Okay? They can still join your list. All right? They can still join your list, but they're not going to join your text list. If you've got text on, and your join our list button turned on, yeah, I post it to Facebook. When you join the list and you've got texting on, then here it is right here. Mobile number, name, and email address. You can collect both of them. Yes, the number field doesn't show on the join our list if they didn't order texting. Absolutely. That is correcto mundo. Absolutely. Did everybody understand that about join our list? If you got texting on, they can join your list via both. If you have text and just email, they just join via email. Okay, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Any other questions? Any other questions? Nothing has changed with ordering. The only thing that's changed is you need to collect your keyword and put your keywords together. So the keyword congruency to be a selling point. Any questions at all? No, they will get a send from your short code. If you transfer them over to the short code, they'll get your long codes will go away. Once everybody is transferred over, once you transfer over, you will no longer have the long code. It's gone. It will be gone. Once it's moved over to the short code, they will get your message code. And they'll know who it's coming from. Why? Because you put the business name at the beginning of the short code, as in InstantAppWizard or Jerry's Kennels or whatever. Any more questions? Everybody excited about the short code system? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, I'll let you know as soon as the additional short codes are ready to go. Awesome. Thank you. Do I pay for a short code today to get this started? Yeah, you go ahead and buy texting for your app. If you don't have texting on an app, you can go in and buy texting all day long. It is available now. Absolutely, Gary. You can go in and buy this. It is live. Yes, the benefits is it's 10 times faster, and it's what all professional Fortune 500 companies are using. If you've already got texting, then yes, you have to wait because you cannot merge it over yet. That is correct. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Thanks to Mark, thanks to Woodrow for making this happen so quick. And there's been many. I think Woodrow and I probably spent 1,000,000 hours on the phone, and he spent 1,000,000 hours doing research. What's the purpose of the short code? Text Commerce Texas 27126, and they get their text back. It's just like the long code, except it's short. They don't have to actually type out a phone number. The short code is for marketing purposes. If you will look around when you go out and you start looking at actual things that you sign up for texting, you will see 1,000,000 short codes. They're everywhere. It's 40 times faster. The send rate is phenomenal. And it's where we need to be to really launch this coupon program and launch our apps to the next level. Anybody else? No, there is no stupid question. Now, you know, the only question that I get upset about is the one that doesn't get asked. And that as soon as training's over, there's 57 questions in a Facebook group, and people are answering them that don't have a clue what they're talking about. And then the next day after training, I get 5,000 phone calls because nobody asked a question. So that's why I say, ask now or forever hold your peace. You have your long code in Canada and the short code in the US. I hear you, Mike. I hear you, brother. It'll wear you out, man. I know. It make you gray headed like me. Yes, instead of putting in a phone number, they will put in the short code and the keyword. No, you cannot have both on one app. No. It's only one code. Only one code. Now, multiple keywords, you're going to be able to have multiple keywords that can be attached to one app. Anybody else? I'm extremely excited about this. I can tell you, man, I've been just itching for Mark to get it ready and get it tested. I want to thank Kenny Dutton, Jacques Edie, and Will Sims for testing for me. And because of their test, it literally got us 3 to 4 days ahead. And I greatly appreciate their help. And Woodrow for doing everything he did. And yeah, Kenny, Jacques, and Will. And I started the minute Mark did it, I started testing, and it works great. Yes, more efficient electronically. Absolutely. Teamwork, absolutely teamwork. Got the best team in the world. Best service, best training, best customer support. You name it. All right. Thank y'all so much. Y'all have a great evening, and we will get back into our final Facebook training next week. Then we will go deep into building your list the week after that. God bless. Good night, and I will see you in the Facebook group.